How's it going, everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a quick look at these two bumper end caps designed for the first gen 1993 to 1995 Ford Lightnings equipped with a factory tube bumper. If you own a first gen Ford Lightning and it came equipped with the optional tube bumper, or you've possibly installed a takeoff tube bumper, you'll find the end caps are oftentimes broken, faded, or they're completely missing. So the end caps that I have here are going to be the correct diameter, so they'll install right into the bumper without any additional trimming involved. They are constructed from black plastic, just like the factory units, and they incorporate a very light texture on the face of the cap. Now, the obvious benefits of installing these end caps are a fresh, restored look for your truck, and of course, it's going to keep those pesky rodents from calling your tube bumper their home. Now, in the box, you are going to get 4 end caps, which will service one tube bumper, and we are going to install a set into our 1995 Ford Lightning. Now, if you have to remove an old one, simply use a plastic pry tool and position the cap away from the bumper. You'll then want to use your plastic pry tool in combination with the dead blow to drive out the old cap. Use this opportunity to extract any dirt, debris, or rodent's nests from inside of the bumper. Wipe the inside of the bumper with an all-purpose cleaner and microfiber towel. You want to align the new cap with the bumper and then fully seat it with the palm of your hand. Now, option 2 would be to place a microfiber towel over the cap and carefully seat it with the dead blow. One other thing you may run into when installing the end caps is that the end of the bumper may be deformed and not in a circular shape. If this is the case for you, you can purchase an inexpensive pipe end shaper or use a piece of pipe to massage the end of the tube back into a perfect circle. Once that's done, you'll want to repeat these steps for the rest of the bumper, and you're good to go. Wrapping everything up here, guys, these end caps are the perfect solution to give your tube bumper a complete fresh look again, and the best part is this little project can be completed in no time at all. As always, for the most up-to-date product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, please reference LMR.com. If you like this video and you appreciate our commitment to first generation Lightning parts, smash that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Lightning videos and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, you guys know what to do for all things first generation Lightning. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.